Today I'm making my famous jerk chicken with a surprising secret ingredient. First, we'll mix in Walker's Wood traditional Jamaican jerk. I've got some chicken thighs with the skin on, as well as some boneless, skinless thighs. If you have the time, marinate the chicken in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. For even greater flavor, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. If you don't have time, just do like I did. Massage that marinade on the bird for a few moments and keep it moving. Let's add the dry seasonings. The order doesn't matter. I show each of them the same amount of love. I'll start with Lawry's garlic salt. If you're a fan of the more popular seasoning salt, then you know you can't go wrong with any of the Lawry's products. Next up, the secret ingredient, Hidden Valley's Spicy Ranch. If you know, you know. I use this to add extra flavor to just about all my chicken and ground beef dishes. Now it's time for more of that distinct jerk flavor. Caribbean Rhythms jerk, get in there. Just like with the wet jerk seasoning, when purchasing this product, pick the heat level of your liking. With 2 different types of jerk flavor, your chicken is sure to pack the punch you're looking for. We'll top the dry seasonings off with traditional black pepper. It enhances the kick of the spicy jerk flavors. Full disclaimer, my family likes a lot of flavor in our dishes. If you don't like as much, adjust your seasonings accordingly. Now, since I've only added dry seasoning to one side of the chicken, I like to flip the pieces so the seasoning falls into the pan and gets soaked up on the other side. Next, I'll flip any chicken with skin one more time so that it bakes skin side up. This will ensure the skin gets crispy. In case you missed it, here's a recap of our seasonings. Jerk wet seasoning, jerk dry seasoning, Lawry's garlic salt, Hidden Valley spicy ranch, and black pepper. Let's bake at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's done. Never mind that I forgot to film the finished dish before everyone started eating. Let's just focus on my plate. I've got one of the boneless, skinless pieces and one piece with skin on it. Peep the rich color from the marinade. The chicken is moist, tender, and ready to serve with your favorite sides. Ciao!